Okay, it's through the red, southbound California. Are you ready?
Blade, let the beat rock.
No risk, no reward, nigga, can't afford that. Pay attention to them red flags, you can't ignore that. Ops ever get a bucket, niggas better score back. 135 for this point, I charge him full flat. No risk, no reward, nigga, can't afford that. Pay attention to them red flags, you can't ignore that. Ops ever get a bucket, nigga better score back. 135 for this point, I charge him full flat. We come in peace, we still get about that ass, ain't nothing sweet. He live across the street, how y'all ain't kill him yet, that's far from beef. Talk is cheap, you ain't plate grabbing, ain't no calling me. 2020 turn my city up, that's just the boss of me. Take a whole brick, say that bitch down and straight 9. Start at 2 a.m., have 18 going by daytime. But your honor, he got killed cause he tried to take mine. Funny how they put the blame on me, niggas Akon. He want 10 or more, we retail the number like a store. Send me 2 addies, by the morning they be at your door. Niggas keeping score, cause numbers really run the art of war. This shit in my core, and I ain't got a dollar for these hoes. No risk, no reward, nigga.